A clean engine bay isn't just about looks. It makes leaks easier to spot, keeps components cooler, and adds real resale value. I tested 7 engine degreasers from Amazon on the same greasy bay to find which ones cut through built-up grime without damaging sensors or wiring. Here's the ranking. The first on the list is the WD-40 Specialist Machine and Engine Degreaser Foaming Spray. This 18-ounce can delivers industrial-strength cleaning power in a foaming spray format. The water-based formula penetrates deep into crevices without leaving residue behind. It cuts through layers of oil, dirt, and grime quickly. WD-40 reputation backs this professional-grade degreaser. The foam sticks to vertical surfaces for longer contact time. However, you need to let it sit before wiping for best results. For trusted degreasing power, WD-40 Specialist is a proven choice. At number 2, we have the Griot's Garage Engine Cleaner 1 gallon. This professional-grade formula works on cars, motorcycles, boats, and trucks alike. The gallon size offers tremendous value for serious engine maintenance. It breaks down layers of grease, oil, and grime fast. The spray-on wipe-off application saves time compared to soaking methods. Griot's reputation in professional detailing circles means quality you can trust. However, a gallon is a large commitment if you are just starting. For professional-grade degreasing, Griot's Garage is a powerful choice. At number 3, we have the 3D Orange Degreaser. This citrus-based cleaner uses natural orange oil to cut through engine grime. The water-based formula is non-corrosive and eco-friendly for your conscience. It works on both oil and grease buildup effectively. The 16-ounce bottle is perfect for spot treatments or smaller projects. Natural citrus scent beats harsh chemical smells in your garage. However, citrus-based cleaners typically work slower than synthetic alternatives. For environmentally conscious mechanics, 3D Orange is a responsible choice. At number 4, we have the Gumout Regane Parts Cleaner and Degreaser. This professional strength formula contains polyethyramine, the most potent cleaning agent available. It cleans carburetors, air intakes, throttle bodies, and unpainted metal parts. The 15-ounce size is compact for targeted applications. Gumout formula has been proven in professional shops for decades. It tackles varnish and gum buildup that other products miss. However, professional strength means you must follow safety precautions carefully. For serious degreasing work, Gumout Regane is a At number 5, we have the STANLEY IP92 Engine Cleaner Spray. This non-corrosive spray reaches tight spaces where buildup hides. The 12-ounce size offers affordability without sacrificing effectiveness. STANLEY engineering background shows in this targeted degreaser. It works on dirt, grime, and light oil deposits consistently. The spray format gives you precision control over application. However, lighter buildup may need multiple applications to fully clear. For affordable engine cleaning, STANLEY IP92 is a practical choice. At number 6, we have the SONAX Engine Cleaner. This phosphate-free formula is engineered for modern engines and emissions systems. The specialized chemistry targets the specific buildup that accumulates in today's vehicles. SONAX brings German engineering to your engine bay. It is safe on sensitive components and coatings. Professional detailers trust this brand for engine work. However, premium formulation comes at a higher price point. For modern engine care, SONAX is a thoughtful choice. Coming up next, we have the IBN Engine Cleaning Gun with 4-foot siphon hose. This 2-way siphon spray gun blasts dirt and grease away rapidly. The aluminum construction handles high-pressure applications reliably. A 4-foot siphon tube with built-in strainer ensures consistent results. The compressed air trigger delivers maximum efficiency with minimal effort. This tool approach differs from spray bottles and wipes. However, you need a compressed air source to operate it. For serious degreasing power, the IBN Engine Cleaning Gun is a professional-grade choice. Thanks for watching our tested guide to the best engine degreasers on Amazon.